Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $22 per hour working from home from 2 websites. And this is something that you can do to make some good extra money on the side, and I'm going to get started right now. So here we are. The first site that I want to show you is VIP Kid. To find this site, all you gotta do is go to Google and type in VIP Kid and it'll come up, okay? Now, you can really earn up to $22 per hour here teaching English online. You're gonna pick your own hours and be your own boss, okay? So to get started is very easy. You just gotta put email, password, and click sign up. Changing lives has never been so simple. Take your teaching career online and let us do all the stuff behind the scenes. We developed a curriculum so you can focus on inspiring students across China as they learn English. Teach when and where you want. Every day, only Tuesday mornings, every other Friday, your office, your basement, or even your sister's bedroom. Teach whenever and wherever works for you. Oh, and get paid. Make your bank account happy. Earn up to $22 per hour plus referrals, incentives, and other opportunities. So there's more than one way to earn here, guys. How does VIP Kit work? Our teachers inspire students all across China as they lead one-on-one English classes. They do it through our online learning platform, aka from anywhere. Watch our video to learn more. So they have tons of students, guys, and tons of teachers already signed up to do this. So here's some of the example of teachers that they have. So you could check out this video here. And then you could get started right away clicking on getting your account set up. So this is Indeed.com. I looked up for a review on this site to make sure it is good. And look, it's got 4.0 stars from 480 reviews. So that is pretty good, guys. Awesome company. It's pretty good. It's a good work at home company according to Indeed reviews. And this is Glassdoor for Glassdoor reviews. Reviews on Glassdoor is actually even better at 4.3 stars. And there's over 1,500 reviews already, and people are really loving this job. So this is working out to be a really cool job for people who want to work from home, guys. So you may want to try doing this, teaching online to Chinese students. So I was saying how you can refer other people. So this is their affiliate program. They have an affiliate program. Partner with VIP Kid to grow your business and earn extra money by referring new teachers to our platform. Now, an affiliate program is not your usual referral program that you see from like get paid to sites like those watch videos or do survey sites. So affiliate program is a little bit more involved, and you could earn a lot more from affiliate programs versus referral ones, okay? But they act like the same because what you're doing is essentially you're referring other people to the platform. So how much can you make as an affiliate? VIP Kit pays 50 to 180 for each teacher you refer, depending on the total number of referrals per month. So looks like if you do more than 31, you could earn 180 per referral. So if you could only refer one teacher a month, then it's only 50 bucks. So it is quite lucrative, guys. This is a great way to make money with this site. The last thing I want to talk to you about for VIP Kids is whether you need a bachelor's degree. But I was trying to look for if you need to have a teacher's degree, but it looks like you only need to have a bachelor's degree. So we require that you at least have a bachelor's degree. We require this because this is something that the parents of the children in China that we teach care about and trust that we are maintaining. So there you go. You just need a bachelor's degree. You don't even need a teaching degree for this one. Now the next one I was going to show you here is called Q Kids. You just go on Google and search Q Kids and Q Kids teacher if you want, or just Q Kids, and it should give you the link. And so for Q Kids, you're going to be teaching children again, Chinese children, 4 to 12 years old, and you'll be tutoring them English, teaching them English. And they do all the curriculum for you, so you don't need to deal with lessons. And they teach with cute characters and funny stories. Dozens of absorbing games to play. A program that becomes better on a daily basis. We are always striving to improve our teaching system to ensure it's easy to navigate and the lessons continue to be fun. All right, so you just gotta apply. So here it says thousands of English teachers from US and Canada guide students through a fun and dynamic experience. Q Kids patented user-friendly online classroom delivers unique learning experiences to families in the comfort of their own homes. Founded in 2015, Q Kids has become a national leader in cross-cultural online learning and established offices in these areas. I'm going to go through the FAQs for this one for a little bit just to make sure. So this one you do need a teaching certificate, okay? So this one, not only you need bachelor's, you will need a teaching certificate, and you need a minimum time commitment of 6 hours per week. There will be an interviewing involved, so does the other VIP kids. You will be interviewed for this position. So how much do you get paid for Q Kids? Q Kids pay $8 base pay for the full lessons, then $4 base pay for standby lessons. And then there's incentives on top of that. So you could get a $1 performance fee for each lesson based on family review. Eligibility for a $1 attendance bonus for each lesson once a minimum of 15 lessons are taught in a week. And then limited attendance policies requiring 24-hour notice for schedule changes and minimum 5-hour notice to maintain eligibility for overall attendance fee. Okay, so you could earn $1 here and $1 here. So they're saying here for Q Kids, this is for full lessons. And if I go back to this is for VIP kids, it's also ranging the same here for the minimum, but this is per 30 minutes. The time here for Q Kids, I'm not sure what full lesson mean here, but here is per 30 minutes you get these rates. So that's how they're calculating per hour is $14 to $22 per hour. So they range kind of the same though, okay? So, but one requires a teaching certificate, it looks like. So they pay about the same, but you know, you may want to just sign up for both of them just to see which one will get you the best pay and also the best scheduling, because you're going to be teaching people or teaching kids in China, so there's going to be a big time difference issue there, okay? The ratings for Q Kids is just as good as VIP Kid. So Q Kids on Indeed.com is 4.4 stars with only 94 reviews though, so it's kind of low, the reviews. But on Glassdoor, it is at 4.3 as well, and you have a few hundred of reviews here. So it looks like the reviews are better for VIP Kids just because they have more reviews. So you do want to try both of them because they both sound great because they are both rated really well by real customers, okay? But you know, guys, you guys will be, this is a really great way for you guys to make some money online and very fun way to make money online. But at the same time, you're still trading time for money, meaning if you don't do the lesson right there, you don't get paid, right? So it's not as if you stop working that you still get paid. It's not like that. So the way I earn money online, I still get paid if I stop working, and it's because I have built certain systems that are on the internet 24/7. So if you want to try something like that, check out the first link in my video description where I show you a program that I'm involved with that has helped me earn a good income at home and be earning passively because I can work whenever I want and then I earn any time of the day. All right. So if you want something like that and give you more freedom in your life, check out that first link in the video description below and learn some high income online skills so you can make bigger money online and also get more freedom so you can earn passively, guys. Okay, that's the most important. All right, guys. So thanks for coming to this video today. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this and I hope to see you on the next video, guys. Okay, bye.